Hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, so we were studying atomic structure and we completed what is atomic mass number, what is relative mass number, what is relative molecular mass number. We have completed RAM, RMM and we've also understood that symbol के साथ atomic weight and mass number कैसे लिखते हैं, atomic number and mass number कैसे लिखते हैं. So let's go ahead and understand electronic configuration today. Okay. Electronic configuration is keeping a count on the number of electrons present in an atom. See, I'll explain you this with the help of an example here. पहले तो understand that in an atom this is called as an orbit. Orbits are basically the shells which are K, L, M, N. Each shell should either have a duplet, that is 2, or octet, that is 8, to be completed, to be called as a complete shell. How is this related to valency? I'll explain you further. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in the imaginary path called as orbits or the shells. Now there are different orbits, as I told you, K, L, M shells, and the K1 is the first, second is L, third is M, and goes on. Okay. So let us understand with the example of sodium atom. If you look at the sodium atom, the number of protons here is 11 and the number of neutrons is 12. We take example of sodium. So number of proton 11, number of neutrons 12. Okay, chalo, let's draw the structure here. So the number of electrons also become 11. That is understood. Okay. So this is the nucleus. Now we will start with the first shell itself. As I can see here that they have 3 shells. Like in the atom of the sodium, we have 3 shells. So let's start. So we have 11 electrons. So 1, 2. Sorry, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. The next again, in the next shell, we again have 8 electrons. And at the last 1. So kitna hua 1, 2, 8 and 1. That is total 11. So I have just drawn 11 electrons. As you can see in the K shell, there is complete 2, that is a duplet. In the L shell, there is a complete 8, that is an octet. And outside L के बाद M में there is only 1 electron present. Okay? 8 के ऊपर किसी भी orbit में electron fit नहीं हो सकते. 2, 8 and that's it. Full. Let's go ahead. Same is the case for calcium, where they have shown that and how do you write? I have to explain you how do we write electronic configuration. How do you write EC? That is electronic configuration. The correct way to write is you write the names of the shell upar, and then K में 2 shells, L में 8 and M में 1. This is how you write. So 2, 8, 1. Do not write 2 and 9. और 2 and 4 ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं चलेगा. The correct way to write an electronic configuration is this. Jot this down. So I hope you've understood कि कैसे I have found out the sodium का electronic configuration. You can also take the example of calcium and do it and try doing it as homework, where the number of electrons are 20. So I'll give you the electronic configuration for calcium. Calcium का electronic configuration I'll give you. Now it's 20. So it is 2, 8, 8. कितना हुआ ये? 16 and 2. And the last one is 2 again. So 2, 8, 8, 2. This is the electronic configuration for calcium. तो तुम लोग इसको as homework करोगे. Calcium का structure you will draw as homework. Okay. Let's go ahead to the next topic, that is isotopes. Okay, let's understand isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of same elements having same atomic number but different mass number. Same atomic number, that is Z, but different mass number, that is A. It's an easy concept, you can understand very fast. Okay, so we will be finding isotopes of hydrogen. Now in the case of hydrogen it is deuterium करके there is a isotope. I'll explain you that. Let's understand. In the case of hydrogen, so this is H1 by 1 भी right, ठीक है, where atomic number mass number is 1. Then the next isotope of hydrogen is H2 by 1. Why 2 by 1? Because the mass number is 2 and the atomic number is 1. The next isotope is hydrogen 3 by 1. So it's the same thing again and again, where the number of electrons will remain same, but the mass number has changed. Here the mass number is 1, here the mass number is 2, here the mass number is 3. Copy this down. Okay, once we have completed, there are more structures given in your book, that is how to arrange the electronic configuration. You have to practice all the elements there with respect to the electronic configuration. That is your homework number 1. Your homework number 2 is learning the first 20 elements of the periodic table as well as their electronic configuration. See, how to learn the table, how to learn the periodic table, that I will be discussing you when we see each other live. Like when we meet on Zoom, that would be much easier for us to understand that how to memorize the periodic table first 20 elements. And in case you already know, start learning as soon as possible. So let's move ahead to the next topic, that is valency. Okay, what do you understand by the term valency? Valency is the number of hydrogen atoms which can combine with or displace one atom of the element or radical, forming a compound. It's basically the remainder. जो बच गया है ना, वो combine होने में मदद करता है, उसको valency कहते हैं. See, I'll take an example here of hydrogen chloride, that is HCl. In the case of hydrogen chloride HCl, one atom of hydrogen combines one atom of hydrogen combines with one atom of chlorine. ठीक है? Now what exactly happens? We get the valency of chlorine as 1. How did I found out this? I found out because हाइड्रोजन, एक हाइड्रोजन एटम क्लोरीन के साथ अटैच्ड है, तो क्लोरीन का जो मॉलिक्यूल होता है इट इज टू एटम्स. सो एक क्लोरीन खाली रह जाएगा, तो वैलेंसी वुड बी 1. Valency is also the number of electrons donated or accepted by an atom, which is the accurate definition of valency. So to memorize, you will be memorizing this one, that it is the number of electrons which is donated or accepted by the atoms. So as to achieve stable electronic configuration, that is either duplet or octet. So या तो complete 2 होगा या complete 8 होगा. Noble gases like helium, neon or argon have stable electronic configuration. Their valence or the outer shell is complete. That is, they would either have 2 or 8 electrons. That is the reason they are not going to combine with any other elements. Okay. Electrons donated by atoms. To achieve stable electronic configuration, metals generally have 1, 2 or 3 electrons in their outermost shell. Metals would donate or lose electrons and that is how they become positively charged. So metals का क्या learn करेंगे हम? कितना donation होगा? 1, 2, 3 electrons. This is donating. ठीक है? Metals donate or lose. So donate or lose to become पॉजिटिवली चार्ज. बाहर वाला चला जाएगा ना, इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या है? नेगेटिवली चार्ज. तो बाहर के शेल से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन चला गया तो एटम क्या हो गया? पॉजिटिवली चार्ज. समझाइए? Metals donate electrons, cation would be formed and the nearest noble gas would be achieved with respect to the valency. There is a table given there. We'll take an example and understand. Okay, we'll take the example of metals that donate electrons. So we take example of sodium. Here the sodium atom का electronic configuration is 281. ठीक है, तो इसको 1 डोनेट करना है क्योंकि ये एक्स्ट्रा 1 दे देगा तो ये स्टेबल हो जाएगा और इसका लास्ट शेल ऑक्टेट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, चलो. सो इसको क्या बनना है? इसको ये बनना है. It has to form this a positive cation. So what is it going to do? It is going to lose it to the nearest one, which is 28. Neon. So neon के पास इसने भेज दिया nearest noble gas के पास, तो इसका valency becomes +1 because it has donated. If it would have accepted, we would have said -1. ठीक है. We do for the non-metals. For the metals it is positive, and for non-metals the valency is negative here. So we take an example of a non-metal as well. Chlorine का example लेते हैं. Chlorine is 287. So इसको क्या बनना रहेगा? 288. तो इसको एक चाहिए, तो ये क्या करेगा? आर्गॉन से लेगा. तो आर्गॉन क्या बन जाएगा? एक लेने के बाद, एक देने के बाद 288. So this is -1. So the valency here is -1. So this is for non-metals where the valency is negatively charged. I want you to copy this. This is important. Let's move ahead and understand stable and unstable electronic configuration. See, noble gases have stable electronic configuration as their outer shell is complete, whereas the other atoms, the other elements would have unstable electronic configuration because their outer shell is incomplete. So when the outer shell is having octet, that is 8, or duplet, that is 2, it is called as stable. And if the outer shell is not having complete octet and duplet, it would be called as a unstable element. Okay, so the noble gases would not share, lose or gain electrons because they are completely stable, whereas the other elements, metals and non-metals, will be either gaining or sharing electrons, so they can reach to the nearest complete octet or the duplet state. Okay. Now, how do the compounds formed with the help of these atoms? Combining atoms redistribute their electrons so that each combining atom attains a stable electronic configuration of the nearest inert gas. ये है ना कंपाउंड बनाते समय, जैसे अब मैं वाटर के लिए समझाऊंगी, कंपाउंड बनाते समय अपने सबसे नज़दीकी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन को पाने की कोशिश करेंगे, वो भी किसके? इनर्ट गैस के, नोबल गैस के. Okay, let's understand electrovalency. What is electrovalency and what is covalency? चलो, the last two topics for the chapter. Okay. Electron transfer, that is electrovalency. Electronic configuration to at one near gas. अच्छा, this is the same thing for sodium. We will not be repeating for sodium. So electrovalency के लिए अपन example लेंगे सोडियम का ही, सेम है अभी किया हमने. So sodium and chlorine electrovalency में जाते हैं. क्यों? Because ये लोग अपने nearest inert gas को achieve करते हैं. सोडियम achieves नियॉन का वैलेंसी एंड क्लोरीन आर्गॉन का, सो दैट ये क्या कर सके? अपना इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन स्टेबल कर सके, दैट इज कंप्लीट कर सके. ओके, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड समझते हैं. अभी सोडियम क्लोराइड फॉर्म करते समय व्हाट वुड हैपन? सोडियम विद क्लोरीन वुड फॉर्म सोडियम क्लोराइड, ये तो हमको पता है. इसको अभी एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर से समझते हैं. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. सो this is sodium 281 electronic configuration plus chlorine का electronic configuration क्या था? 288 287. so 2 8 7. यहाँ पे मैंने एक इनकम्प्लीट रखा है, यहाँ पे इनकम्प्लीट रखते हैं. चलो हाँ ठीक है, यहीं पे रखते हैं. यहाँ पे एक इनकम्प्लीट है 287. ठीक है, अब सोडियम क्लोराइड बनाएंगे. सो व्हेन द सोडियम क्लोराइड इज फॉर्म, दे बोथ ऑफ देम रिसीव इसने अपना एक शेयर कर दिया और इसने एक रिसीव कर दिया. तो ये क्या बन गया? सोडियम क्लोराइड. समझा ये? ओके. सो योर सोडियम क्लोराइड इज द कंपाउंड विच इज कंप्लीटली फॉर्म. सो दिस वाज इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंसी. कॉपी करो ये. We go to the last topic, that is covalency for the day and for the chapter. कोवैलेंसी के लिए एकदम क्लासिकल एग्जांपल लेंगे अपन, वाटर 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 इज एन इजी एग्जांपल. वाटर वाटर का एग्जांपल लेते हैं. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल फटाफट करते हैं अभी अपन, बिकॉज नाउ वी हैव बीन प्रो ऑन दिस, कि अपन को समझ में आ गया है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कैसे करना है. वाटर के लिए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इज 2,6, सॉरी ऑक्सीजन के लिए, ठीक है. एंड हाइड्रोजन के लिए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है, वी आर जस्ट टेकिंग, अच्छा हम लोग सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन को ही बना रहे हैं, ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल बना रहे हैं. वी आर टेकिंग एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल, दैट इज O2. तो कुछ करना ही नहीं है, मतलब ये 2,6 ऑक्सीजन, तो वो ऑक्सीजन को ही साथ में लेंगे और इसको नियरेस्ट किसको अटेन करना है, नियॉन को, विच इज 2,8. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. अब क्या करेंगे हम, वी विल बी टेकिंग, इसकी 6 है ना, ये टेक्निक समझना है बच्चा लोग. व्हाट आई विल बी डूइंग, पे अटेंशन हियर. ये यहाँ पे डॉटेड लाइंस क्रिएट करके क्रिएट अ बॉन्ड. इससे क्या होगा, ऑक्सीजन का एक एटम ऑक्सीजन का दूसरा एटम विल फ्यूज टुगेदर टू गिव यू वन ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल. तो सब कुछ ऑक्टेट में आ गया और ऑक्सीजन का मॉलिक्यूल बन गया और ये बन गया हमारा O2. समझा? तो दिस इज कोवैलेंसी, where we use this method where you join and show, whereas in electrovalency you show the square brackets. So copy this down. This is the last compound that we have to study. फटाफट लिखो. ओके, सो आई होप दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली अंडरस्टूड टू यू कि कैसे ऑक्सीजन का मॉलिक्यूल बना. इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंसी और कोवैलेंसी थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस से प्रो लेवल पे जाएंगे, ऐसे फटाक से इट इज़ नॉट समथिंग कि एकदम अच्छे से आ जाएगा. हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे व्हेन वी मीट ईच अदर. सो टिल देन सी यू.